Now foods, essential oils, lavender, 1/3 of a fluid ounce, 10 milliliters. Product overview description. 100% pure Lavandula angustifolia. Suggested use. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil, prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients. 100% pure lavender oil. Warnings. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Not for internal use. National essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.